Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth and honest reviews of products that make your life better. Today, we're diving into a fantastic find for orchid enthusiasts, the best Repotme Orchid Fertilizer and Repotting Kit. The ultimate all-in-one solution for keeping your orchids healthy, vibrant, and blooming beautifully. Let's take a close look at what makes this orchid repotting set a standout. This complete 9-in-1 professional-grade kit includes everything you need to repot your orchid with confidence and ease. From beginners to seasoned growers, this set is designed to simplify the entire process while ensuring optimal results. Right off the bat, the kit includes a 6-inch clear inner pot with multiple drainage holes. This isn't just any pot. The transparency allows you to monitor your orchid's roots easily, helping you prevent rot and spot problems before they start. It fits seamlessly into the tall, white decorative outer pot, which not only adds stability but also elevates the aesthetics of your plant display with its clean, modern look. Next, let's talk about the premium orchid bark mix. You get a resealable 2-quart pouch filled with a balanced blend of pine bark, coconut husk, charcoal, and moss. This combination ensures excellent drainage, promotes aeration, and helps regulate moisture, everything an orchid's roots need to thrive. Repotting can be messy, but not with this kit. The included large waterproof repotting mat measures a generous 47 by 79 inches. It's easy to clean, folds for convenient storage, and protects your work surface from spills and debris. Add to that a sturdy pair of green gloves to keep your hands clean and safe, and you're all set for a mess-free experience. But it doesn't stop there. One of the highlights of this kit is its focus on long-term care. It comes with 2 slow-release fertilizer packs that provide nutrition for up to 12 months. Yes, a whole year of consistent feeding. And for those looking to encourage even more blooms, the included cytokinin-based orchid bloom paste is a game-changer. Apply it to dormant buds to stimulate new growth and enjoy fuller, more frequent flowering. Whether you're repotting for the first time or just want a refresher, the step-by-step illustrated instruction booklet walks you through the process with clarity and simplicity. No guesswork, no confusion, just solid guidance from start to finish. Altogether, this orchid repotting set is not just a product. It's a complete experience that combines thoughtful design, high-quality materials, and ease of use. With every component working together, your orchid will not only survive the transition, it will thrive. So, if you're looking for the best repotting solution for your orchid, and yes, the best Repotme Orchid Fertilizer all-in-one, this is the kit to get. It's efficient, elegant, and absolutely worth every penny for the health and beauty of your plant. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hands-on product reviews right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.